This will be our 7th state championship, and I think women's hockey is the only one which has it on a league basis for all age groups. Okay, sub-juniors, juniors and seniors. And we are thinking of starting it on the 20th of this month at Pede and at Pathorda. We are also going to have the selections for the state team to take part in the 8th Hockey India Nationals. That's for the sub-juniors, men and women, which will be held in Assam. Then the senior women, which will be held in Ranchi. And the senior men to be held in Imphal. The selection for this are always held at Pede and in Pathorda. And we have a camp for roughly about 21 to 30 days. The best are selected.
He helps a lot in sponsoring some of the tournaments, and many of our youth have budded and are doing very well at the national level right now. But as he said, the AstroTurf is a big handicap, and he and Farrell had arranged a meeting recently with the sports minister, and the sports minister immediately sent the engineers and sports director V.M. Prabhudesai. They have already with Benny demarcated the ground. Farrell and Benny on Saturday demarcated the ground, and hopefully we are going to get now the AstroTurf, which will be funded and made by G. Suda funds through Vijay Sardesai, minister.
We are happy to announce, like every year, we are having our state championships again this year, and we have selected many teams which have participated in the selection trials. We are having our selection trials, and then we'll be going for the selecting them and going for the state championships. Very good. We are also very happy to have our own ground here allotted to us, which is the initiative of Mr. Vijay Sardesai and Mr. Babu Asgaonkar. We have been wanting to have our own ground in Margao. Finally, we had a meeting with them, and we have finalized the ground, which shortly will be having an AstroTurf in Margao itself.